Welcome to another quick video. Hit that like button as it really helps my channel. Let's dive in right away. Today I'm talking about the Decider Protocol. The Decider Protocol is this very simple way to get a sense of what's happening across a group of people. It basically looks like this. I agree, I have questions or concerns, I disagree, and I have an idea of what to do better. Let's break that down. When you ask a question or make a statement, such as, do we agree or do we think that this plan is solid? Now, everybody else in the group, be it through some kind of tool like MS Teams or Zoom, or in person, they will use their thumb, their physical thumb, through video or in person, of course, to demonstrate the level of the agreement or commitment that they have. If you're completely in and you agree this plan is just bulletproof or just great, you'll do a thumbs up. I completely agree and I'm bored. Let's go. If you have questions or concerns, or maybe you're not quite sure about something, you'll do a thumb sideways, which means I'm not sure. There's something I'm curious about. If you can answer that and it seems good to me, I might move it up to a thumbs up. And if you are not on board or you have major concerns or some big reason why you can't commit to it, you'll do a thumbs down. And to make this powerful and that everybody's trying to problem solve and get on the same page, thumbs down means not only that I disagree, but it also means I have a suggestion to potentially move up to a thumb sideways or a thumbs up. By doing this, everybody is committed to the discussion and to coming to an agreement where everybody is either thumbs up or thumb sideways, which usually is good enough to move forward. You can use this in all kinds of amazing ways. Executives could use this when they're talking about a budget. So, how's the budget? What do you think? Thumbs up, thumb sideways, thumbs down. You use it at the level of a team. Are we agreeing to this plan? Do we think this is the elements we need and we're good enough to go? Thumbs up, thumb sideways, thumbs down. The Decider protocol can be used even with families. We have choices. The thing that we want to do is this. We want to go on vacation here, and this is why. What do you guys all think? The kids, the spouses, the family, everybody could do it. Thumbs up, thumb sideways, thumbs down. Using the Decider protocol gives you a really good sense of where people are at, and therefore also people don't actually have to voice their opinion. They can just show that. They can demonstrate visually where they're at. And that allows for a much better conversation. Thanks so much for watching my video. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as I bring out a new video each Monday to help you get better, to grow and develop and find better ways for you to actually become a professional and grow in your career. Thanks so much. Have a great week.